And the description by the Prophet ﷺ to him then said, Jibreel had come to teach you your religion. Thus, this all and what the Prophet ﷺ told the delegation of Abdul Qais about faith is religion. Moreover, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and whoso will desire for a religion other than Islam, that shall never be accepted from him. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that one day the Prophet ﷺ was sitting in the company of some people. A man came and submitted, What is faith? He said, Faith is that you should believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, His angels, meeting with Him, His apostles, and resurrection. He submitted, What is Islam? He said, Islam means that you should worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and do not associate any partner with Him, establish prayers, pay zakat, obligatory charity, and observe fast in the month of Ramadan. He said, What is ihsan? Doing good. He said, You should worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as if you saw Him, and if you do not see Him, He Jalla Jalaluhu sees you. He said, When will the hour occur? He said, One who is asked about it knows no more than the one who is querying. And I tell you its portents. The slave girl will beget her master. The shepherds of camels and sheep will reside in magnificent buildings. And there are 5 things that none knows except Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Then the Prophet ﷺ recited the verse, Undoubtedly with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the knowledge of the hour. Then he went away, and the Prophet ﷺ said, Call him back. But they did not find any more. He said, He was Jibreel alayhi salam, who came to teach the people their religion. Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi said, all of them were declared a part of faith. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 50.